Imagine stepping into your kitchen and plucking fresh herbs that elevate every dish you prepare. Creating a kitchen garden is not just a delightful hobby, it's a way to enhance your culinary creations naturally. Starting with easy-to-grow herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary can make a significant difference in flavor and aroma. First, choose a sunny spot. Most herbs thrive in 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. You can use pots, garden beds, or even windowsills if space is limited. Using quality soil and ensuring drainage is crucial, as herbs dislike sitting in water. When planting, make sure to give them enough space to grow without overcrowding. Regular watering is essential, but be careful not to overwater. Letting the soil dry slightly between waterings encourages healthy root growth. Pruning your herbs not only enhances their growth, but also ensures they remain bushy and vibrant. As you harvest, remember to do so wisely. Taking just what you need encourages new growth. In no time, you'll have a variety of fresh herbs at your fingertips, ready to transform your meals into flavorful experiences. Start your kitchen garden journey today and savor the benefits of homegrown freshness.